Hello and welcome to Dennis Random Tech. Today we're gonna see how you can improve your microphone sound and your voice for free using Audacity. Let's go! This guide is for YouTubers, podcasters, vloggers and content creators that want to improve the sound quality of their videos and their voice, even if they use a budget microphone. Open Audacity and hit the record button. It's the red button here. Leave a 5 seconds gap before talking so that only the background noise will be recorded. Okay, now we have the 5 seconds that we want. So let's start talking and stop the recording again when we are ready. Audacity test 1 2 3 4 5 and Audacity test 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, that's it. Now let's select with our mouse the 5 seconds of our audio. That's it. Now let's go to Effect, Noise Reduction, and select Get Noise Profile. That's it. Now we have to select the whole audio, so there are two ways to do this. The first one is by pressing Ctrl A, and the second, just a left click here. We are ready. Effect again. Effect again. Noise reduction. And all we have to do here is press OK. Now, if we are not happy with the result, we can play with the sensitivity here. 13, I think it's okay. We are ready. Let's go to Effect again. This time we are gonna select the compressor. Now these are the default values. Threshold -18, noise floor -40, ratio 2:1, attack time 0.20 seconds, release time 1 second. Now make sure that makeup gain for 0 decibels is unchecked and press OK. And Effect again. This time let's select Graphic EQ. It's the old equalization effect. Select Manage, Factory Presets and Bass Boost. Then press OK. Again to Effect, again to Graphic EQ, Manage, Factory Presets, Treble Boost, and OK again. We see the changes here in the audio. Effect again. And we are looking for Normalize. And OK again. Effect again. Limiter. Now the default option here is soft limit. Make sure to switch to hard limit. And this value should be -3, limit to decibels, and OK again. And for the last time, Effect, Normalize, -1, the value here, press OK. and that was it.